Okay, so now we're heading down to Patong Beach. I just want to go check out Patong. Phuket Sandbox plan kind of started on July 1st. Today is July 5th. So I just kind of want to take a look and see if you can see a difference and if tourists are out and about. And then afterwards, we may go check out Kathu and Karan depending on the weather. Hopefully you guys can hear me on this microphone. This is a weird setup I got going on, but I wanted to test it. I have my stabilizer actually attached to my waist, and then I have my 360 camera attached to my back, and it's a bit difficult already. I might have to scratch. I think mainly the stabilizer in front of me is distracting and it's kind of swinging about a little bit too much. So we might just go 360 for the bike ride anyways. See what happens. Real slow. Looks like we got some tourists here. Some people over here getting a massage. Won't film them, but I assure you they're getting a massage. Not the bad kind, the good kind, the gentle kind, the caring one. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Still empty though. Nobody really here. When I first pulled up, I wish I got it on video. There was actually a guy just stopped. He said, "Thank you, for creating content." He said when he was back home, he said he would watch every single video about Phuket and Thailand and travel and stuff. And he came over on July 1st, and it was very nice of him to come and thank us YouTubers or content creators. And people are stuck at home and they can't travel, and they've been through hell in these past 15 months or so, and it's good to hear that people are enjoying at least being able to experience something through our lenses. That was nice of him. So there's not much here. There's really nobody on the beach. Maybe around dinner time it will be a little bit busier, I imagine. I would thought, lunchtime would be busy, but I guess not. So hopefully, as restrictions ease, not just in Phuket, in Thailand, but the world, that hopefully in a week from now, 2 weeks from now, a month from now, I'm going to try to come back every week or every 2 weeks to kind of update everybody. Hopefully there's going to be more people on the beach, because this is not really helping anybody. I mean, I'm sure, it helps 2 or 3 people, 3 businesses, the hotels, a little bit, but it's not enough. We need to open up these borders and travel again. I can imagine the hotels, because they've taken it a hard hit. I imagine they're trying to keep all the people in the hotel room. What I mean by that is, discounts on everything, the food, the massages, the drinks. They probably got a lot of entertainment and things like that, just so they don't leave and they spend all their money there, which is unfortunate for the rest of Phuket. And I'd say people that own hotels are the wealthy ones, and of course their workers need to be paid, and those are average people. But all these small businesses, these are the guys that need it the most. The guys with the the small restaurants and the small bars and small tour groups and everything else, you know. Hotels need it, everybody does, but we need it more. Yeah. All right, well, there's not much to see on the beach, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a walk along the sidewalk here. Maybe walk down Bangla Road. There's nothing going on there, but a couple beach goers over here. That's nice. It's like most people are in the shade. I don't know why. They're not Asian. They're hiding. Oh wow, Starbucks has opened up again. That's good to see. Thank you. Look at that. Starbucks is open. It's the first time I've seen that. A couple customers. The Banana Walk Plaza.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Well, I didn't expect it to be super busy and everything just boom, back to life. You know, that's just not going to happen. But it's an improvement. I'm seeing a couple places opening up and seeing a little bit more people. So that's, you know, it's better than nothing. Slowly but surely. It's so weird seeing tourists. It's so weird for me. It's been such a long time. Here we are, the Bangla Road. I've already filmed here on my channel, but not in 3D, so let's take a short little walk. This place is not going to change until they open up the bars and clubs. I mean, I came here a handful of times during the pandemic when it was just locals, and I mean, obviously nothing like it used to be, but there were, people had business, clubs would get busy at night. Some bars got real busy. So at least it's something for these business owners, You're going to open up the country full time. It's not going to be people here to open up the businesses, Keep going. But again, we are making progress. Looks like some people are doing some remodeling. Take a walk down the small soy here. Yep. This was obviously where, some remodeling going on in there. God damn. Looks so much different daytime. It still stinks. It smells like shit back here. Yeah, but this is where Susie Wong's and all the strip clubs were.